Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile image on Netflix. So if you want to freshen up your Netflix profile pic, whether it's just for fun or to tell profiles apart, this is how you can change your Netflix profile image in just a few taps. So you can do it on mobile apps on your desktop or on your desktop browser. If you are using it on mobile app, what you need to do here is just open the Netflix app. Okay, so once you're in the Netflix, so if you already open the Netflix before, it will show like this. So what you need to do, just tap on your profile at the bottom left corner. Click on this profile that you use, this drop down, and tap on manage profiles, and then choose the profile that you want to change its profile picture. For example, I want to change this one. Click on it and click on this pencil icon at the bottom of the current profile image, and you can just now choose the new profile image that you want. So for example, here I'm going to use this one, and you can just go back, click on the arrow, and just like that, now your profile picture has been updated. But if you just open the Netflix apps, let's say just open it like this, so it will show the Netflix logo first, and here you'll see the profiles on your account. So you can just tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner, and here select the profile that you want to edit, this one. Click on this pencil icon, and again choose the profile picture that you want. Choose a new image, and then just go back and it will save automatically. If you are using a browser, you can just go to the netflix.com, and then after that click on your profile account and tap on manage profiles, and then click on the profile you want to change and choose a new image and click let's do it. Now it's done. So changing a profile image on your Netflix is pretty easy, and you can do it with just a few taps. And there you go, your Netflix profile just get a fresh look. If this tip helped you, you can hit the like button and subscribe for more Netflix and app tricks, and don't forget to click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.